This is George Jr. with a breaking Telezzini TV report about a new White House petition to ban Monsanto's genetically modified food products in the United States. The petition link is available at www.telezzini.tv. Genetically modified foods, known as GMOs, have recently come under fire by legislators, scientists, and food safety experts.
GMOs are genetically modified organisms where they change the DNA in different parts of the food. They genetically alter it, and then they use those in food products. So, for example, Monsanto has many GMO-altered seed products that they make farmers buy every single year because they're proprietary seeds. So they have crept into a lot of our food products, and they've never been tested for safety. There are some studies that indicate that they could be harmful, perhaps cancer-causing, and they're also bad for the environment.
One of the dirty little secrets of Monsanto and the biotechnology industry is they've been working on this for 30 years. 30 years. Billions, hundreds of billions of dollars in research and in private investment, and they haven't come up with one thing that helps the consumer. Not lower cost, better taste, less fat, less calories, nothing. 30 years. All they offer is risk.
Yes, this was a study that was published in October of last year. It was done by Dr. Eric Giles Seralini and colleagues, and what they did is they fed rats some Roundup-ready corn, and that's corn that's been engineered so that you can spray more of the herbicide Roundup or glyphosate on it. So they basically did a 2-year feeding study, fed rats at 3 different dosage levels of this corn, and they sprayed the corn with glyphosate. So they fed these rats, and 2 years later, what happened is the females had many more mammary tumors. They died more. They died earlier. In the male rats, there was more liver problems, and they also died earlier.
Corn is the #1 crop grown in the U.S., and nearly 90% of it is genetically modified. In addition to being added to many processed foods, genetically modified corn is a staple of animal feed. 93% of U.S. grown soy is also genetically modified, which has been repeatedly linked to birth defects, infant mortality, and sterility. You probably eat GMOs every day. If you do not want to eat frankenfood for yourself and your loved ones, the chance to make a change is now. To sign this White House petition online, visit www.telezzini.tv.